Hello and welcome to DIY-Dalton. I'm Michael. So today's going to be slightly different. We're not going to be working on cars today. We're going to be seeing if we can do some home improvements. Okay, so you've obviously all seen the TikTok craze or trend when they had the cloud ceiling. Well, that's what we're going to do. So this is our dining room ceiling, as you can see. We've kind of gone for the Hogwarts theme. We've got the floating candles. And now we decide, well, why don't we see if we can go for the effect of clouds and lightning as it is in Hogwarts. So I'm doing this for my daughter's birthday because she's a Harry Potter fan. So let's see how it turns out. I mean, it's quite a large-ish, it's not really, it's a big-ish ceiling. We decided to do the whole ceiling instead of just a part of it. And let's see what tools we're using. Okay, so these are the parts that I'll be using. So I've got 10 meters worth of RGB IC cabling. Okay, I've got the links down in the description if you want it. They come with this little controller. It's handy with this controller. You get a remote control, but you can also use Wi-Fi, so you can connect to Alexa, you can connect to your phone and so forth. That's pretty good. This underneath here is A3 sheets of card that I'm going to stick to the roof or the ceiling first, and then I can stick the large bag of polycell, polyfill, whatever it's called, and that's going to be making the clouds. So yeah, and I'm going to be using the staple gun to stick these to the ceiling. I know some people use tape. I don't know if that's going to be strong enough, so I'm just going to use this. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is where I am at the moment. I mean, it's not taking too long, it's pretty good. What I've actually done is swap to a normal stapler. Just put it like this and push it in. It's actually a lot easier than the staple gun, which needs a lot of force and uses a lot bigger staples. So, not quite a few bits of card left, so let's see how it goes. I won't bore you with all the video, but I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so this is where I got to. Not looking too bad, however, I've run out of card, so I'm going to have to carry on tomorrow. Sorry about that. Okay, so ceiling is officially covered in paper, and if I was leaving it like this would look very strange. There we go. But hey, so the next step is seeing what we're going to do with the lighting, and I believe I'm going to test it out on a piece of paper first so I know kind of what route I'm going to go for. Okay, so this is kind of the design-ish I've gone for. You can see I've got two lines of 5-meter LED strips. One's going here, along here to there, to there, to there, around here, all the way up to there, and the other one is going from here to there, to there, to there, to there, to there. I mean, it looks odd now, but I'm hoping once all the clouds on there and everything's running, it should look pretty good. Fingers crossed. Okay, so you kind of get this kind of effect. Now, I've set it to microphone, which is kind of what I want, because I want lightning to strike, like a bang sound. You get thing like that. I think it's pretty good. Problem is, for some reason, that if I set it to green, it goes, if I set it to blue, sorry, it goes green. If I set it to red, it goes blue. So somewhere, I don't know, maybe it's the controller for some reason, the colors have gone wonky, but I can sort that out by just doing different colors. But yeah, I'm gonna have a play around with that, see if I can get something cool, but I think that's pretty good. Okay, now the time is to start sticking this lovely cloudy foam stuff to the ceiling. So I've got some spray glue, heavy duty apparently, and I'm going to stick along the actual lines of the LEDs for now, and then fill in the rest afterwards. Let's go. Okay, so I've just done a few things there. Oh, you can see how much better it lights up. That is really cool, isn't it? So yeah, just literally spray a couple of, well, a layer of the glue, and then just stick them on. So a couple of places probably need to go a bit deeper, put a little bit extra ones on there. But yeah, let's see if I can get a time lapse, and you can watch me do it. Okay, so one thing I did realise is that when you spray the glue, it kind of goes everywhere. So I'm just going to get a few things to cover up the stuff in the room, so I don't want to get too messy. But been good so far. Okay, so quick update. I have put cloud stuffing all over the cables themselves. For now, obviously, everything else will be covered soon, but let's see if we can get some cool effects. As you can see, that looks awesome, doesn't it? So, yeah, so that looks pretty cool. Sorry about my random shouting, but I think that looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks at the effects of actually the colours. I like some more white and stuff for the lightning. But there we go. So now we just need to cover the rest. This is a very messy business. I'm not sure if you can see my fingers, but sometimes it sticks more to you than the ceiling, then all the way onto the glue canister, and it's just a mess. But I think it's going to be worth it in the end. And this is the completed product. Nice bit of cloud cover over the whole ceiling. There we go, got a bit of better view. It took about 3 cans of spray glue, 3 kilograms worth of this polycell stuff, or polyfill. So next we're just going to add some candles, and then we'll have a look at what it looks like. There we go, check that out. Floating candles and everything. Now let's see what they look like at night. And here we have the final effect. Welcome to the Great Hall.